You are going to love the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, navigation system, Bluetooth, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.